First, remove the high-pressure fuel line. Insert the injector positioning key into the upper part of the injector. After lifting the locking tab, rotate the positioning key by 90 degrees. Press the locking button on the threaded sleeve. Remove the threaded sleeve. Install the special tool onto the cylinder head. Hand tighten the internal hex bolt. Fully screw in the puller thread. Note, this is a left-hand thread. Tighten counterclockwise. Reinsert the threaded sleeve. Fully screw it onto the injector positioning key. Then tighten the internal hex bolt. Tighten to a torque of 5 Newton meters. Place the special tool onto the puller thread. Apply a torque of 7 Newton meters. Turn the torque wrench clockwise. Continue until the injector is pulled out.